System override.
Welcome to the future. Welcome to the future.
Welcome you all back to my channel once again. We're doing a short drive to Nandi's Hills today. Poshettihalli drive today on the MG Electric. Probably a quick review of the car too. Poshettihalli, which is near Nandi Hills, a small little lake. So stay tuned as we drive along to Poshettihalli. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. This is the all new ZS EV by MG. That's the dashboard, and that's the home screen. It's 100% charged, and the range with eco mode
351.
351. Normally it's 400 plus. I don't know why it's 351. Probably because of the AC. So now the 413. So it has a good range without the AC, but when the AC is on, the range drops. I have the controls of the media here, volume and mute, next track, and answering the phone. And this side we have the dash control. That's the dash.
System override.
So this changes the what comes on the display.
Welcome to the future.
Being a Saturday, traffic is a lot as we're driving past the airport. The time right now it's about 5:10 p.m. and we should be reaching our destination in the next hour. I think one more hour to go. Stay tuned. short. Don't waste time hanging over small things and small fights. Just smile and always spread the happiness. Travel, enjoy life. Whatever makes you happy, and enjoy life. Well, thank you very much for watching this video vlog of mine. Hope you subscribe to my channel, Djmahaneet. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned until the next one. It's sayonara, adios and goodbye.
It's all a mystery.